Why do you laugh at me?
Because you're fat.
Bye! LeVar! I found the power room!
So?
Tell me about the power!
Well, in order to tap the power, you lift one of the wires over there. Why don't you go do that right now? That'd be great.
Okay! I am hungry!
Don't touch that! That's never been done before!
LeVar! I keep seeing that guy that I just killed! Is there something wrong with me?
No!
Aren't you glad we found this taxi, LeVar?
Let's just say I'm happy to be alive.
Yay!
Wow!
How do you like it, LeVar?
Do you know what you have on? That's pretty thick, Chubbs. My God, what is wrong with you?
I also dyed my hair!
I love what you've done with yourself. Let's go eat.
LeVar! Will they have food this time?
If they don't, we'll kill the waitress and eat her.
I'll have to get another one, because LeVar took mine. LeVar! Get out of my seat!
Hey, what are you doing all moving around? I'll forget where you're sitting. I'm not really that bright.
Today, I would like food. No beverages, just food.
I don't think I can give you any food. Your clothes are too ugly. Go get some new ones and come back.
If you don't give us food, we'll kill ya. LeVar told me.
You big fat man. You're so funny. He's not kidding. We're pretty hungry and we'll kill you. Oh yeah? What are you going to kill me with?
My hologram!
Where do you come up with these things?
Okay, let's go eat her!
I was just joking, you cannibalistic maniac. So perhaps we could go in the back and eat some food products.
Ah! I'm so hungry!
Run, faster, Smith, lap, run, faster, Smith, lap, run, faster, Smith, lap, run.
I need my clothes back now!
Wow!
I want my old clothes back because the waitress told me that my clothes were ugly.
I see what you mean. So luckily, I have taken the liberty to have washed your old clothes.
Oh, thank you! What can I change?
Well, it seems as the last time you changed right here. But this time, you can go in my office.
I'm going to the office to change. I'll be out in a second. Oh! I hate my hair too.
Yes, I don't like you have blonde hair either. So, we'll just dye your hair back, okay?
Okay.
Dum-de-dum-de-dum. Alright, here we go. We'll get it done in a jiffy. I'm almost finished. Huh? Alright, we're done.
LeVar, you like airplanes? Let's go for a ride.
Commodore, what are you doing? Never mind. Just sit down.
No! You stay seated! You grab my style! I am the captain. Look at my suit.
I am the autopilot. Watch me fly the plane.
Alright, I'm the Commodore. Let me fly. Here I go.
There's something terribly wrong here, and I think the Commodore might have to do with it. I've got to stop him. Commodore, you've got to stop this insanity. There's a baby out there, and he's walking around.
But I like to fly. Don't make me stop.
Commodore, I said land it now or I'll rip your head off.
You asked for it right now. Now you're gonna get it. So good.
Thanks. But never, ever, ever, ever sing to me again.